Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be doing a Jeep video. Just going to be showing you guys how to take down the windshield on your Jeep Wrangler TJ. So I figured I would just make a quick little video. So to start out, I'll get some of the tools. So to start out, we're going to be using a T40 Torx. That's going to be this outer one here. I already took out this side for you guys. But just here, just undo this and be sure that you want to be very careful without stripping these Torx bolts because they're very prone to not being very strong. So make sure it's the right size, and if you're having some troubles, use some penetrating oil to loosen these up because you definitely do not want to strip these because that would not be good. So we got one there, and then same size here. We have one up here, right there, and then we have one on the other side right there. So let's take those out. Then the other one that's going to be a little difficult is if you see, I'll try to show you guys the best I can. So if you can see here, there's this little Christmas tree clip thing that's holding this rubber piece on. Basically all you want to do is get a pry tool like this and get it around this guy and slightly lift up. And then once you have it to this point, then all you have to really do is just slip it over the hole here. That's the best versus trying to take this out. I don't even think this comes out. Maybe it does, but just slip it around there. That way you can, it's gonna be difficult to get it back on, but just make sure you do that and just be careful not to bust this off either. So, okay. So also what we're gonna have to do is you have to take out your windshield wipers. So you're gonna wanna pull on the bottom here. There's this little tab guy here, and you're gonna pull that out. Okay, how to use this hand. So just take it. If you push it from this side, push it a little bit, then pull it. Then all you got to do is just pull it straight off. And it comes right off. And set these in a safe spot. Just gonna wiggle it back and forth, getting it to come out here. Lift it off just like that. So next, what we're gonna do, see this piece here that runs along the side here. These are Phillips head screws. So we're gonna take these out next. And we should be able to just pull the windshield down. Might need a couple jiggles here. It's going to be just a hair tight. Pull it and set it down nice and gently. Just like that. So obviously you could remove these if you wanted to. Just this corner here. But yeah, so that's what it looks like. We'll hop in here. So that's what it looks like with the windshield down. So now, my Jeep doesn't have this, but the Jeeps from the factory come with a little strap that wraps around this thing on the hood and here to keep this from bouncing up and down on the hood when you're driving around off-road and stuff. So it looks pretty good under there. Looks perfect actually. So we'll go for a quick spin down the driveway, or down the road. Wow, this is awesome. Should probably buckle up. Hey. Okay. This is like the ultimate safari Jeep now. Very weird. Alright, let's go for a little spin. I'll take it nice and slow so we don't break my windshield. Wow. This is pretty awesome. I'll show you guys down here. It's probably gonna be super windy for you guys. Put any bumps in the road. This is awesome though. Should probably turn around. This is actually the first time I've taken the windshield down. I wonder if it's legal to wear a motorcycle helmet with your windshield down. I wonder if that's street legal. I gotta find that out. This is so cool, guys. If you get the chance to do it, definitely do it on a private closed road, or do it in Mexico or something like that. This is awesome. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of how to take the windshield down on the Jeep. Definitely a cool experience. Definitely, if you were to drive around, definitely get that strap thing going on. And then some people like to take the visor off and all that kind of stuff, which is just a couple screws here and then there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, a thumbs down. And I will see you guys in the next video.